All right, let's be real. You ever feel like you're stuck in a loop, working hard, doing all the right things, but success still feels like that Wi-Fi signal that never quite reaches your room? You hustle, you grind. You even tried waking up at 5 a.m. because some billionaire said it works. But your bank account still ghosting you. You've been told, work harder. Cool, but that just got you burnout and caffeine addiction. Think positive. Sure, but that alone won't pay the bills. The truth? Success isn't about working harder or wishing harder. It's about working smarter in a way that actually moves the needle. Let's break it down. One change, just one, can make all the difference. And today we're uncovering it. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Stop playing by the wrong rules. Imagine you're playing Monopoly, but nobody told you the actual rules, so you just keep rolling the dice and hoping for the best. That's exactly how most people approach success. Society told you to work longer hours, save every penny, play it safe. But look at the people actually winning in life. They're not clocking 80-hour work weeks for minimum wage. They're not stashing every dollar under a mattress. They're playing a different game. And here's where it gets funny. You thought that if you just worked harder, success would show up like, ta-da! Congratulations! Here's your dream life. But instead, you check your bank account and it's looking at you like, hey, we should talk. It's not me, it's you. So here's the first shift. Stop playing the game like everyone else. Learn the real rules. Step 2. Success isn't about time. It's about leverage, raise your hand. If you think working longer equals making more money. Okay, put your hand down. People are staring. Here's the deal. If success was just about working more, the hardest workers would always be the wealthiest. But that's not how it plays out. Why? Because they're trading time for money, and that's the slowest way to build wealth. What do the ultra-successful do instead? They use leverage. Skill leverage. Get paid for what you know, not just what you do. Time leverage. Create something once that pays you forever. Money leverage. Use money to make more money. Bottom line, if you're only making money when you're actively working, you're doing it wrong. Step 3. The 90-10 rule. Here's the mistake most people make. They spread themselves too thin. They try everything, hoping something sticks. Successful people? They focus on the one thing that gives them the biggest return. This is called the 90-10 rule. 90% of your results come from 10% of your actions. So instead of doing 10 different things kind of okay, master one thing and dominate it. Whether it's business, fitness, or learning a skill, pick one high-value activity and go all in. And let's be honest, trying to do everything at once is like juggling flaming chainsaws. Impressive if it works, but most of the time, disaster. Step 4. Fail faster, win sooner. You know what slows people down? Fear of failure. But here's the thing, failure isn't the opposite of success. It's the pathway to it. The faster you fail, the faster you learn. The faster you learn, the faster you win. So instead of avoiding mistakes, chase them down. Try, mess up, adjust, and try again. Here's the cheat code. Every failure is just feedback. The sooner you get the feedback, the sooner you get to success. And hey, failure is only a problem if you take forever to fix it. So fail fast, fix faster, and keep moving. Final step, the 10X. Success hack. Most people think too small. They say, I just want an extra $500 a month. But what if you aimed for $50,000 a month instead? Sounds crazy? Maybe. But aiming big forces your brain to find big solutions. And here's the secret. People who shoot for huge goals don't always hit them, but they end up way further than the ones who settle for average. So here's your challenge. Think bigger, move faster, play smarter. Because the truth is, success isn't just about working harder, it's about working differently. So play the game right, play it better, and go all in.